So let's continue with our example and add a button to calculate the number of days between the to date and the from date. So we're going to add another member. We'll call it, we'll use a number column in this case, and we'll call it days between. We'll call it days between, and we'll give it a format of 5CN, which means 5 digits separated by comma if it's required and allow negative value. And all of that is documented in an article on our website. So let's go to the UI and we'll add through the column wizard. We'll select the days between column. Perfect. I'm using Control and the arrow key to move it dramatically. This is what I'm running over here. Great. I'll take all of this and take it a bit to the left and place it like this over here. Cool. Yes. Perfect. So here we have it all in front of us. Let's run this. And we have our 3 local columns, but of course nothing gets updated. So let's hit the button to do the update. We go to the toolbox, and I see that our toolbox entries are missing here, which is great. It's a good time to show you how to set them up. So I'll delete the previous one. I'll right click here and say Setup Toolbox, and it will automatically add our toolbox to the toolbox menu. So let's select the button, place it over here. We'll call that button Calc. Calc days between. Perfect. Resize it. Good. Now, when I'll double click it, it will automatically register its button click event. And here we want to do our code. So we can say in our controller, the field days between, its value should be set with our controller.toDate minus our controller.fromDate. That's it. Now, I can write it in the long way and say toDate.value and fromDate.value, but that's rarely necessary, so I can just ignore the value over here and ignore the value over here. So I'm setting the days between value with the value of the to date minus the value of the from date. Let's see this in action. So I'm going to look at 28th of January and 28th of February 2017. I will click our button and it will get 31 days. Perfect.